So the rain begins, and it may never end. So cry no more on a shore adrift, but take us out of sea forevermore, forevermore. Close your eyes and